Hi kids! Rainbow sparkles! Have you ever dreamed of flying all the way to the moon? Tonight, I'll tell you a story about Princess Honey, the little princess who loved the moon more than anything. In a beautiful castle lived a curious little princess named Honey. She was 8 years old with sparkling eyes full of wonder, and a tiny magical cat called Luna. Every night, Honey would climb to her window, gaze at the glowing moon, and whisper, "Oh Luna, do you think I could ever touch the moon?" Luna purred and twirled around her feet as if saying, "Your dreams can take you anywhere, Honey. Never stop believing." Kids, have you ever looked at the moon and wished you could go there? Crescent moon. One night as Honey stared at the moon, a soft shimmering light appeared at her window. She gasped, "What is this? Is it magic?" Suddenly, a tiny sparkling fairy landed gently, her hair glowing like silver starlight, her wings twinkling like 1,000 stars. "Princess Honey, your dream is about to come true," the fairy said softly. "Tonight, I will take you to the moon." Honey's eyes widened with excitement. "Really? I'm going to the moon?" "Yes," the fairy smiled. "Climb into this magical buggy and hold on tight." The fairy opened a glimmering silver blue buggy, floating in midair, sparkling with magical lights. Honey climbed in and Luna, her little glowing cat, jumped beside her. "Wow," Honey whispered. "It's like flying in a dream." The buggy rose gently, soaring past clouds, twinkling stars all around, wind tickling Honey's face, her heart beating fast with excitement. Kids, if you had a magical buggy, where would you fly first? As they reached the moon, Honey saw that it was magical and glowing. Craters sparkled like diamonds. Tiny pools reflected silver light. Soft clouds floated like cotton candy. The fairy said, "These are the secrets of the moon. Only brave and curious hearts can see them." Honey stepped closer to a crater, reaching out. A gentle glow surrounded her fingers. "Luna, it's real. It's really the moon," she exclaimed softly. The fairy guided Honey through magical moon gardens, sparkling with stardust flowers. Luna purred happily, jumping from crater to crater. "Look, Honey," the fairy said. "These tiny glowing pools are where moon stars are born." Honey laughed, jumping carefully from one crater to another, feeling brave, excited, and amazed. Do you kids want to visit a magical moon garden too? Suddenly, a soft shadow passed over them. The fairy whispered, "Every adventure has surprises. Stay close and trust your heart." After exploring the moon, Honey realized something important. The moon was magical, but her bravery, curiosity, and kind heart made the journey possible. "I can touch the moon because I believed in my dream," Honey whispered. The fairy smiled and said, "Exactly, Honey. Dreams grow wings when your heart is pure and brave." The fairy guided Honey and Luna back to the castle in the magical buggy. Stars twinkled as if waving goodbye. "Remember, Honey," said the fairy, "never stop dreaming. Your light will shine as bright as the moon for everyone around you." Honey hugged Luna tightly, whispering, "I will never stop dreaming, and every night I will talk to the moon." And so, Princess Honey learned, dreams can take you anywhere. If you are brave and kind, magical adventures are real for those who believe. The moon's light shines brightest for those with pure hearts. Kids, what dream would you like to fly to tonight? Crescent moon, dizzy. Wow, kids. Glowing star, did you enjoy Princess Honey's magical ride to the moon? If you love this story, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, share it with your friends so they can join the adventure too. And oh, don't forget to click that subscribe button, bell, so you won't miss any magical stories ever again. Come on, hit like, share, and subscribe. Let's make Princess Honey's adventures go all the way to the stars. Sparkles rocket.